Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Racy. We're in the 3rd grade Recorder Karate book with sailing. First we're going to count it. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Next, we're going to do the chin up. So I need you to put your recorder on your chin and use your fingers. Make sure your left hand is on top to play, cover the holes for the right notes. So we're going to sing the letter names. 1, 2, ready, sing. C, B, A, B, C, B, A, G, A, G, C, B, A, B, C, A, G, A, B, C. Okay. Next, we're going to play the song. So here we go. Get your recorder ready. C is the middle finger and thumb. 1, 2, ready, play. This is the tempo I'm going to test it at, 95 beats per minute. I understand that is fast for right now, but keep working up to it, and you can pause and move around the video as needed to practice. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.